William, do you like studying English?
I like studying English, and I can read well, but speaking can be difficult.
It's not that bad. If you talk to your American friends every day, you'll learn quickly.
Can I ask you a question?
Sure. What do you want to know?
I have my book from class here. How do you say this word?
Laptop.
Sorry, I don't understand. What does that mean?
A laptop is a type of computer that you can carry with you. Do you understand?
Yes, I think so. Can you say it again?
Laptop.
Laptop. Did I pronounce that correctly?
Yes, that's right. That's very good.
Thanks. And this word? How do you pronounce this?
That word is pronounced kitchen.
Thanks so much. You're a good teacher.
Thanks.
Hey, how's it going?
Not good. I lost my wallet.
Oh, that's too bad. Was it stolen?
No, I think it came out of my pocket when I was in the taxi.
Is there anything I can do?
Can I borrow some money?
Sure. How much do you need?
About $50.
That's no problem.
Thanks. I'll pay you back on Friday.
That'll be fine. Here you are.
What are you going to do now?
I'm going to buy some books, and then I'm going to the gas station.
If you wait a minute, I can go with you.
Okay. I'll wait for you.
Hello?
Hi, is James there, please?
Yes. Who's calling?
Linda.
One moment, please.
Okay.
Hello?
Hi, James. It's Linda.
Hi, Linda.
What are you doing now?
I'm working.
Are you busy?
Yes, it's been really busy here all day.
What time do you get off work?
8:30.
I'll call you back after 8:30.
Okay. Talk to you later.
Bye-bye. David, what have you been up to lately?
I went on a trip with my family last week.
Really? Where did you go?
We went to Europe.
What cities did you go to?
London, Paris, and a few other cities.
Did you go to Berlin?
No, we didn't go there. I'd like to go there next time.
I think this summer is a good time to visit Berlin. It's a beautiful place, and the people there are very nice.
That's what I've heard.
I went there last year. If you want, I can give you some information I have about the city.
Thanks. Sarah, what did you do today?
I went shopping.
Did you buy anything?
Yes, I bought a few things.
What did you buy?
I bought this coat. Do you like it?
Yes, I like it a lot. It's very pretty. Where did you buy it?
At the mall on Fifth Street.
Was it expensive?
No, it wasn't expensive. It was on sale for $20.
That's cheap.
I know. It was a really good deal.
I don't think you'll need to wear it for a while. It's been really hot lately.
Paul, what kind of music do you like to listen to?
All kinds, but mostly pop, rock, and classical. Why?
I have tickets to a show. Do you want to go with me?
What kind of music is it?
Pop. It's Mariah Carey.
When is it?
At 8 tomorrow night.
Yeah, I'd like to go. Do you think we should have dinner first?
Yes, that's a good idea.
Let's eat at the restaurant across the street from my apartment.
Oh, I think I know the place you mean. We ate there last month, right?
Yeah, that's right. You have a good memory. Lisa, would you like to go to the library with me?
Okay. Do you think we can go buy a newspaper first?
Sure. First we'll go buy a newspaper, and then we'll go to the library.
Are we going to walk or drive?
The weather is really nice today. Let's walk.
The weather is good now. but I think it's supposed to rain this afternoon.
All right. Then let's take an umbrella. Is your brother coming with us?
No, he's still sleeping.
Wow, it's already 10. He must have been up late last night.
Yeah, he didn't come home until 12.
I hope he can come later.
I hope so, too. I'll give him a call when we get there.
How do we get to the library from here?
It's straight down this road on the left, next to the museum. It takes about 10 minutes.
Hi, Melissa. Are you going home this weekend?
No, not this weekend. I have too much work to do.
Where do your parents live?
My father lives in Washington, D.C.
How about your mother?
My mother died 2 years ago.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. Is your father still working?
No, he's retired.
Do you have any family here?
Yes, 2 of my cousins live here, and my aunt and uncle live about 30 miles from here.
Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have 2 brothers who live in New York and a sister who lives in Boston.
Do you see them a lot?
Not as much as I'd like to. Usually just on holidays like Thanksgiving and Christmas.
I can't find my glasses, and I can't see anything. Can you help me find a few things?
No problem. What are you looking for?
My laptop. Do you see it?
Yes, your laptop is on the chair.
Where's my book?
Which one?
The dictionary.
It's under the table.
Where's my pencil?
There's a pencil in front of the lamp.
That's not a pencil. That's a pen.
Oh, sorry. There is a pencil behind the cup.
How about my backpack? Do you know where that is?
It's in between the wall and the bed.
Where are my shoes?
They're on the left side of the TV.
I don't see them.
Sorry, I made a mistake. They're on the right side of the TV.
Thanks.
Oh, and here are your glasses. They were next to your cell phone.
Excuse me. Check, please.
Okay. How was everything?
Very nice. Thank you.
Would you like this to go?
Yes. Can you put it in a plastic bag?
Sure, no problem. Here you are. That'll be $25.
Do you take credit cards?
Yes, we accept Visa and MasterCard.
Okay. Here you are.
Thanks. I'll be right back.
Okay.
Here's your receipt.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Please come again. Next, please. Hello. How can I help you?
I'd like to buy a ticket for New York.
Would you like one-way or round trip?
Round trip.
When will you be leaving?
When does the next plane leave?
In about 2 hours.
I'd like a ticket for that flight, please.
First class or coach?
Coach.
Okay. Let me check availability. I'm sorry. Tickets for that flight are sold out.
How about the one after that?
Let me see. That one has seats available. Would you like me to reserve a seat for you?
Yes, please.
That'll be $120.
Okay.
Thank you. Here's your change.